What you're watching right now was created entirely by Google's brand new VEO AI video generator. And I'm about to show you exactly how I got access to this insanely powerful tool without paying a single penny. Here's the crazy part. Google officially charges over $250 per month for this technology, and it's supposedly restricted to US residents only. But here I am, outside the United States, with full access to VEO, and I didn't spend a dime to get it. I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process I used to legally access Google VEO for free from anywhere in the world. Let's dive in. Check this out. This is the actual VEO interface that I'm using right now, and it's ridiculously simple. I can literally type in any crazy prompt that pops into my head, hit generate, and boom. In just a few seconds, I get professional quality video content that would normally take hours or even days to create with traditional methods. And I guarantee you've already seen some of these incredible clips going viral across TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter without even realizing they were AI generated. All right, let's jump straight into the exact method I'm using to access this completely free. The first thing you need to do is click on the link I've placed in the description below. It's labeled Google AI Pro Plan. When you click that link, it's going to redirect you directly to Google's One Premium Pro Plan page. Here's where it gets exciting. Google is currently running an incredible limited-time promotion that gives you a full 15 months of free access, and this includes complete video generation capabilities with VEO through both Gemini and Flow platforms. When you click that link, you'll likely see this account isn't eligible for Google AI Pro Plan. This happens because it's geo-blocked outside the US. To bypass this, you'll need a VPN. I tested several free Chrome VPNs, but none worked. The only one that successfully bypassed Google's restrictions was NordVPN. I left a link in the description for NordVPN. Once it's installed, you'll have to put as a Chrome extension like this, activate it, and simply connect to the United States like this. Once you've got your VPN running, you'll notice a banner offering Gemini Pro completely free for university students. That's 15 months at $0 until June 2026. All we need to do is click a Verify Student Status right here, and it'll redirect you to the student verification page where we'll confirm our eligibility. Here, you'll need to input an educational institution-affiliated email to verify your student status. If you don't currently have access to a .edu email, no worries. I've included another link in the description labeled Student Email that will solve this problem. When you click that link, it takes you to a site called Tempumail, where you can instantly generate a legitimate .edu email address. Make sure your US VPN is turned on. Now enter a username. Verify that you're a human and hit Create. Copy your email address and go back to Google One, where you paste your email address and click Verify. A verification code has now been sent to your email. Head back to Tempumail and click Refresh. You should now be able to see the verification email from Google that says, Verify your student email address. Click on the email and copy the verification code, go back to Google One, paste your verification code, and click Submit. Perfect. As you can see, we've successfully triggered the eligibility message for Google AI Pro student discount. Now Google will redirect us to the payment verification page where we need to add a payment method. You can redeem a code or use any debit card, credit card, PayPal, or even Cash App to complete this step. Google will not charge you anything, and it's only used to verify your account. If you don't have any debit or credit card, you can head to Revolut and create one for free. You can find the link in the description as well. Now I've already created another account. Excellent. Now you'll be automatically redirected to Gemini Pro, which you can see displayed right here on screen. If we scroll down, you'll notice there's a video section that clearly shows Generate with VEO. This confirms that VEO is now active and available on your account. However, this isn't where we want to create our videos because the interface here has significant limitations. Instead, we need to open a new tab, head over to Google, and search for Google Flow, and then go to Google Labs. Right here, you want to sign in. Click Sign in with Google. Once you complete that, you'll land on your Flow dashboard where all your previous video projects will be displayed. From here, we're brought directly to the AI generation interface where the magic happens. This is where we can start creating our videos. If you've successfully followed every step up to this point, congratulations. You now have full access to your Flow account and can begin using VEO 3 for free video generation. Now let's actually generate a video with VEO 3. In the prompt screen, you'll want to select Text to Video. You'll also have the option to select Frames to Video, where you can add pictures right here and even end frame as well. But in this example, we'll go with Text to Video. Most importantly, you'll want to go to the Settings tab right here and change the outputs per prompt from 2 to 1. As you can see here, it says each generation uses 10 credits because it's set to fast under quality. But both fast and quality uses VEO 2 for video generation. You'll have to change that to highest quality with audio in order to generate videos with VEO 3 with audio as well. If you notice, it will now use 100 credits per video generation. Congratulations, we're now ready to generate our first video with VEO 3. For this example, I will choose Text to Video and simply enter a prompt in right here. I will give it a simple prompt like motorcycle stunt jump over cars in slow motion, sparks flying, cinematic shot, and then I'm going to hit create right here. It will now take 1 to 2 minutes to generate the video. As you can see, it has now generated the video with sound. So let's take a look. Pretty incredible, right? Now let's try something even cooler, creating a video from a static image. I'm going to click on Frames to Video here, which allows me to upload any image I want. But here's what's really exciting. I can actually generate a brand new image using AI directly within this interface, which is exactly what I'm about to do. Right here, I'm going to type a red sports car parked on a mountain road at sunset, and then hit Generate. It's now going to use Gemini to generate the image. It will generate 4 options. Just go ahead and select the one you best like and click Use this image. Now I'm going to choose an effect, and I think I'm going to go with Orbit Right, and simply going to type in the prompt, make the image move, and click Generate. Let's play the generated video. That turned out absolutely stunning. Now let me show you the credit system so you understand exactly what you're getting with this free account. As you can see here, I currently have this amount of AI credits remaining in my balance. If I click on this, we're taken to the AI credits activity page, where you can see the account overview. Now Google gives us a full 1,000 credits every single month with this plan. As you see here, the next update on this account is on June 30th, where we get another 1,000 credits. Since each VEO 3 video generation costs exactly 100 credits, that means you can create up to 10 high-quality videos per month completely free of charge. And there you have it. That's the complete step-by-step method I use to access VEO 3 completely free and legally. Just remember the 2 key requirements. You'll need a reliable VPN like NordVPN to bypass the geo restrictions. And if you don't have access to a credit or debit card, simply create a free Revolut account to handle the payment verification. If this tutorial unlocked VEO 3 for you and saved you over $250 per month, smash that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, and I'll catch you in the next one with more exclusive AI tools and hacks.